In this video, I am going to show you the simplest and most beginner-friendly way to download and install Claude Desktop on your Windows computer, step by step. If you have watched other tutorials that involved PowerShell commands or setting things up inside Visual Studio Code, you already know how overwhelming that can get. This guide skips all of that. I am currently working on a full series where I will show you how to use Claude AI to edit faceless videos, design advanced motion graphics, and build apps without writing a single line of code, all using the desktop version. Before any of that, you need to have it properly installed on your computer, so let's start from the very beginning. Step 1. Create a Claude AI account. Open your browser and search for Claude AI. From the search results, click on the official link, which is claude.ai. Once the page loads, you will be prompted to register. The easiest option is to sign up using your Google account, and the whole process only takes about a minute. By the end of this step, you have a Claude AI account ready to go. Step 2. Download and install the Claude Desktop app. Go back to your browser and search for Claude Desktop Download. Click on the result that says Get Started with Claude Desktop app. This will open the Claude documentation page, which can look a little technical at first glance, but do not worry. You only need to scroll to the section where it asks you to choose your operating system. If you are on a Mac, select Mac OS. Since I am on Windows, I will select the Windows option and the download will start automatically. If your browser flags the file as a security risk and blocks the download, simply click the option to keep or proceed with the download. This is completely normal and safe. Once the file has downloaded, double-click on it to begin the installation. The process takes about a minute. If a pop-up appears asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your computer, click Yes to let the installation continue. Once the installation is complete, click Get Started and sign in with the Claude account you created in Step 1. That is exactly why we set it up first. Claude Desktop will now open, and you will see three main features. Claude Chat, which you can use for conversations and quick questions. Coworker, which helps you automate tasks on your computer. And Claude Code, which lets you build and run code projects using plain language instructions. At this point, you may notice a pop-up indicating that something is not working correctly. That is expected. Claude Desktop needs a couple of additional tools installed on your computer before it can function fully, and that brings us to Step 3. Step 3. Install Git and Visual Studio Code. The first tool to install is Git. Go to your browser and search for Git install. Click the first official result, which is git-scm.com, and select your operating system. On the Downloads page, you will see several options. Select the x64 setup version and the download will begin. Once it has downloaded, double-click the file to start the installation. Keep clicking Next through the setup screens until you reach the step that asks you to choose a default text editor. Open the drop-down list and select Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free and widely used code editor that works very well with Git and Claude, so it is the best choice here. Since Visual Studio Code is not installed yet, pause the Git installation and go back to your browser. Search for Visual Studio Code and open the official website, which is code.visualstudio.com. Download the Windows version. Once it downloads, open the installer, check the box to accept the license agreement, and keep clicking Next until the installation finishes. If Visual Studio Code opens automatically when it is done, simply close it and return to the Git installation window. In the Git installer, click Back and then Next again. You will now see that Git has detected Visual Studio Code on your computer. Continue clicking Next and then Finish to complete the Git installation. Now that everything is in place, close Claude Desktop completely and reopen it. This time, it should launch without any errors or warning messages. All three features, Claude Chat, Coworker, and Claude Code, are now fully ready to use. That is the complete step-by-step process to get Claude Desktop up and running on Windows. If this video saved you time and frustration, please give it a like and share it with someone who is struggling with the installation. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss the next video, where I will show you how to build a faceless YouTube channel from scratch all the way to uploading your first video using only free AI tools.